Okay, guys, it's JD coming to you, Mobile Trader Network. I realized I did not show the charts for Merck for my bull case on Merck, but here it is right now. Merck is in the trading range, is range bound to an extent. It's technically not in a position to where I'm going to say, oh, it's a bull case, but we had the nice a bullish reversal, Morningstar Doji right here, 3 pin reversal. Shout out to Monty, King Steph, Mojax. We always look for that. Came up to this way, popped, sold off, but now we're consolidating in a trading range. Nice trading range, and volume is staying steady. And Merck, for me, they were behind. Well, technically they're not, but they didn't want to rush a vaccine to market. So other companies are coming to the market, like Regeneron, with Remdesivir, Gilead, Pfizer, Moderna. Merck is Merck set up the bull case for me to break above this that high, like $82 should be the. Let me set that right there. Let's go set the alert for 82 bucks. Let it trigger and continue to revisit and perform your due diligence. But the option that really jumped out at me on Merck is the January 15th, 2021, of course. Two strikes out of the money, the 85 right here. Look to the left side of the screen, dollar by $1.50, 37,376 open interest. Amazing amount of open interest on there. Delta is a little lower than I like, but hey, we can work with it. And the IV is at 23. So a lot of things in line for this. Uh, that's what I have to show with you guys. I apologize I didn't have the chart in line, but I like that. I like the consolidation. I like the contraction. It's not a lot of large price swings right in there, and the volume is staying strong and steady. So let's see what happens. All right, y'all have a good one.